Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to message people on Waze in a simple and clear way. Whether you want to warn other drivers about road conditions, share helpful updates, or simply communicate through the map chat feature, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can use Waze more effectively and confidently. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure you're logged in and actively using the map. Once Waze is open and running, look for the report icon on the screen. This icon is usually easy to spot and gives you access to different reporting and communication tools. Tap on the report icon, and don't rush. Following along carefully helps you avoid missing any important options. Next, swipe up on the screen to open the full menu. When the menu expands, you'll see several features related to reporting and sharing information. From this list, tap on Map Chat. This is where Waze lets you leave messages that other drivers can see directly on the map, making communication quick and useful. Now, if you want to make your message more engaging, you can tap Add a photo to attach an image to your comment. Adding a photo can be helpful when reporting accidents, hazards, or unusual road situations. After that, tap Add a comment and type your message clearly and politely. Keep it short, accurate, and helpful so other drivers can understand it at a glance. Before sending your message, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your location services are on, your internet connection is stable, and your message follows Waze community guidelines. Doing this beforehand saves time and prevents posting issues. Once you're ready, tap Send to share your comment right away, or tap Later if you want to save it and post it at another time. After that, your message will be visible to other Waze users, helping them navigate more safely and efficiently. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to message people on Waze easily and responsibly. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this video helped you out, feel free to share it with others who use Waze. Why not help make everyone's drive a little smoother?